Find gross recipes for Halloween. If you want people talking about your Halloween party long after the event is a pleasant memory, be sure to serve an array of delicious but very gross menu offerings. Seat a skeleton with a chef's hat at the head of your buffet table and inform your guests with instructional signage that the chef got really creative this year and even made a contribution of some of his own body parts to some of the recipes presented at the party. Give every food item a grossly descriptive label that is sure to emphasize some revolting fact about that particular offering. Cut soft tortillas into the shape of long fingers or use a bone-shaped cookie cutter and fry, then serve with an Roach and Flea Dip that combines whole wheat bread crumbs, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, water and parsley with walnuts, pureed into a paste that sure looks like it's filled with insect pieces. Pair the dip with stuffed roaches, in reality pitted dates stuffed with any combination of peanut butter, chopped walnuts, and cream cheese, with a plastic roach for decoration. By cutting hot dogs into thin strips, cooking until slightly curled and tossing with spaghetti sauce, you've created a perfectly gross intestine sandwich filling for hamburger or hot dog buns. Freeze a tray of red and green seedless grapes until frozen, then coat with a cranberry gelatin glaze to offer as Deadman's eyeballs. Another good gross bloodshot eyeball recipe involves small balls of buffalo mozzarella cheese floating in tomato sauce. For fresh from the Toilet Turds, form Rice Krispy treats into cylindrical shapes and coat with milk chocolate studded with candy corn. To create edible crematorium ashes appropriately served in large ceramic ashtrays, finely blend oreo cookie crumbs with powdered sugar and drop in a candy cigarette or two for authenticity. It's easy to make any punch you serve look gross by floating some gummy worms on the surface or placing a chocolate-covered espresso bean flea inside people's cup before you pour in the liquid. Better yet, use clean urine specimen cups in place of punch cups. By pushing your favorite sugar cookie recipe through a ricer, you can create the appearance of brains and present brain cookies glazed with blood red confectioner's sugar hot from the oven. For the ultimate in revolting party desserts, serve kitty litter cobbler, an apple or cranberry cobbler covered with plenty of streusel sand topping, placed inside a brand new kitty litter pan, and served by cutting with a brand new kitty litter scooper.